what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. I just want to check in, try to give y'all a quick little update. Working on the Impala finally. Just trying to get some of this old window tint off. I wanted to show y'all what I was doing. I went and picked up a steamer from Walmart. It was like $15. Same difference. See, that's why you don't let your kids get on the video, man.
I'm just
they,
saying.
you know, they much smarter than you are, so they want to butt in all the time. But now, at first this window tint was like peeling off, flaking, because it's so stuck on there. It's been on here for so long. So I YouTubed and found a good technique, and it seems to be working. So I want to check in, give y'all some footage real quick, like what we looking. But we got these quarantine. Got these pandemic phase over here, man. We need to get chopped up, so y'all just ignore that for now. But all right, y'all. I got Josiah on the camera duty, so if the video be crappy, y'all know why. Just turn the steamer on. Shouldn't take too long before it starts working. I was just using it, so. Take your time with it, go through and try to heat it all up. Or at least heat up the immediate area where you're gonna be working in first. So what's it, man? That's hard to do. I also been steaming like behind the kitchen once the condensation builds. I'll take this any day over the way it was peeling off at first, though. There you go.
That's a lot of, yeah.
You get very frustrated when it's not coming off. So, on that little, on the quarter window right here, like get that window. See how they started peeling it off?
Oh, yeah.
See that? That's nothing but frustration right there. That's what that is. You're using a razor blade and it wasn't really coming up. And all that white stuff that's leaving behind is the adhesive, the glue that's on there. Steamer helps all of the glue come up by heating it up.
Yeah, making it easier. And look back.
Sir?
Kind of.
Nope.
Nope. All that, guys. Still got a long way to go.
Hey, I'll let you get in the gloves. Look.
Yeah, whenever you take those off and go in the house, you make sure you wash your hands.
Yeah, because there's dirt on
Yeah, I had those on, my hands were sweating. I used to put all of my sweat
on your hands. I think I'm doing a pretty good job.
Let me know when you're ready to go in. I don't have to finish.
Heard that, guys? You don't have to finish.
Yeah, whenever you get tired, stop.
Okay.
Some type of footage I haven't been recording. So I'm gonna put one big video together with all of the updates. The fan that I put on, the old alarm system and stuff.
Is it not turning on the regular way?
No, I think I'm gonna push start again, but I'm gonna get a better system than what was on here.
Yeah, I think I still remember how to do the push button start. I think you press the button and then do the press the feel on the gas.
The brake.
Oh, yeah.
Just about need a refill. Oh, that's it. Right. It's my mom's birthday. It's Mother's Day gift.
Oh, I didn't know that was on. I didn't know that was my birthday was on Wednesday.
I think I'm gonna ride around with no tint for a little while. Just to, even though it's gonna annoy me with that sound.
Why do you want to ride with it with tint?
Just to, you know, with tint or without?
With
To help block some of the stuff.
but like the police, they don't.
That shit is too dark.
When I'm outside, I can still see me and Bray's big head. They didn't hear that from you.
What's up?
I'd like to let me clean up with it.
Let me clean.
That's your leg.
Yep. Can you go shake it?
Shake it.
crap. Like rigged up for real. Top post battery with side post terminals. A couple of vice grips on there, holding everything together. And I'm literally about to see if this thing will fire up or not. So y'all gotta bear with me. I'm gonna try to set y'all up somewhere. Hold on. Still runs, my people.